Nebula are some of the most fascinating and visually stunning objects in space. A nebula is a giant cloud of dust and gas in space. The word nebula is Latin for cloud. They are primarily made of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, along with fine cosmic dust. Nebulae are enormously vast, often spanning several light years in size. Despite their immense size, nebulae have an extremely low density, far less dense than a vacuum on Earth. It's only where this interstellar medium clumps together that it forms a visible nebula. Nebulae are crucial to the life cycle of stars. They are both stellar nurseries, where new stars are born, and the remnants of dying stars. These are regions where gravity slowly pulls together clumps of gas and dust. As the clump gets hotter and denser, it eventually ignites, forming a new star. Emission nebulae are illuminated by the intense ultraviolet radiation from these newly formed, hot, massive stars. The UV light ionizes the gas, mostly hydrogen, causing it to glow, similar to a neon sign, often appearing red. The Orion Nebula is a famous example. These clouds don't emit their own light, but are visible because they reflect light from nearby stars. They tend to appear blue because the dust particles scatter blue light more efficiently than red light. These are very dense clouds of dust that completely block the light from objects behind them, appearing as dark patches against a brighter background. The Horsehead Nebula is a well-known example. Supernova remnants is the rapidly expanding cloud of gas and dust created after a massive short-lived star explodes as a supernova. The Crab Nebula is a classic example. Our own solar system, including the Sun, formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago inside a nebula, which was likely triggered by a supernova. The famous image of the Pillars of Creation is actually part of the Eagle Nebula, an active star-forming region. Until the early 20th century, the term nebula was used for any diffuse celestial object, including what we now know are other galaxies.